Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In this video, we'll study the integral of sine to the power of 3x divided by cosine of x dx, and this is between 0 and pi over 4. As I said in my previous videos, whenever I see a trigonometric function to the power of an odd number, we have to make it to the power of 2. Yeah, or sometimes we have to make it to the power of an even number and then make it to the power of 2. But in that case, we can make it directly to the power of 2 by rewriting this integral as integral between 0 and pi over 4 of sine to the power of 2x times sine x, and this is to the power of 3, divided by cosine x dx. Yeah, I can do it like that. Because sine to the power of 2 times sine x is sine to the power of 3, so I did not change anything. But I know there is trigonometric trigonometric identity formula that said sine to the power of 2x plus cosine to the power of 2x is equal to 1. And if you want to understand from where this is coming, this is a trigonometric circle, and I know the radius in a trigonometric circle is equal to 1. Radius is equal to 1, and let's say that's the radius. I know that the sine is here, and the cosine is here, and this is the radius, which is equal to 1. And I know if I want to use Pythagoras, the radius square is equal the sine square plus the cosine square. So this is from where it's coming, but you don't have to prove it in the scope of this course. You just need to use it. I just wanted to show you from where it's coming. So now I know that sine square of x is equal 1 minus cosine square of x. And I will replace sine square of x here by this value, which is 1 minus cosine square of x. So my integral become between 0 and pi over 4 of 1 minus cosine square of x times sine of x dx divided by cosine of x. Okay? Now I can say let u equal cosine of x. So my du is equal minus sine of x dx. And if I look at my integral, I have sine of x dx. Here I have minus sine of x dx for my du. So all what I have to do is minus du is equal to sine x dx. So now, because I replaced u by cosine, I have to study the boundaries of my integral. I know that it was going between 0 and pi over 4, so cosine of 0 is equal to 1, and cosine of pi over 4 is equal square root of 2 divided by 2. So the boundary, if I want to replace my cosine by u, the boundary of my integral become between 1 and square root of 2 divided by 2, and my integral become 1 minus cosine, 1 minus u square divided by u times minus du, which is equal at minus the integral 1 square root of 2 divided by 2, 1 minus u square divided by u du. But if I want to get rid of this minus, all what I have to do is flip the boundaries. So it becomes between square root of 2 to 2 divided by 2 to 1. And I would have 1 minus u square divided by u du. Yeah? So because of this minus here, I can split my integral into two integral, which is equal integral between square root of 2 divided by 2 to 1. 1 minus u square divided by u is u du. And I have du here. And between square root of 2 divided by 2 to 1. So that's easy now to solve. 1 divided by u, it's a formula. It is ln of absolute value of u. I will put the boundaries at the end, minus u square divided by 2, and all that between square root of 2 divided by 2 to 1. Yeah, and when I put ln, I put the absolute value because the ln of a negative number does not exist, so that's why I put absolute value. So now it's easy. All what I have to do is replace u first by 1 and then minus replace it by square root of 2 divided by 2. It becomes ln of 1 minus 1 over 2 minus, and I open my parentheses, ln of square root of 2 divided by 2 minus square root of 2 divided by 2 square divided by 2. So ln of 1 is 0. I don't have to write it. So minus 1/2 minus ln of square root of 2 divided by 2. And this become minus 2 divided by 4 times 1 divided by 2. So this and this, because like there is division, it become multiplication, but I have to flip the denominator. So it become minus 1/2 minus ln of square root of 2 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by, minus times minus is plus here. That minus times that minus is plus. So plus 1 divided by 4. And then 1 divided by 4 minus 1 divided, so if I have 1 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 2, I multiply here by 2 and I multiply here by 2. So it become 1 minus 2 is minus 1 divided by 4. So those two become minus 1 divided by 4. So my final answer would be the integral of sine to the power of 3 of x divided by cosine of x dx is equal, we said, minus 1 over 4 minus ln of square root of 2 divided by 2. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me tremendously. And if you push the like button, I would really appreciate it. Thank you for listening.